The wind howled like a banshee, whipping snow into a frenzied dance around the magnetic North Pole. This wasn't your average North Pole, mind you. This was the real one, the one that shifted and swayed, a mischievous sprite playing hide and seek with the compass needles of the world. Here, nestled amongst shimmering auroras that painted the sky in vibrant hues of emerald and crimson, stood Santa Workshop. It wasn't a grand, ostentatious affair, but a marvel of ingenious engineering. Solar panels, cleverly disguised as festive wreaths, harnessed the energy of the northern lights, powering the intricate machinery that churned out toys. Inside, a symphony of activity unfolded. Elves, their cheeks rosy from the cold, expertly assembled robotic dinosaurs, while others meticulously hand-painted porcelain dolls with lifelike eyes. Mrs. Claus, ever the heart of the operation, supervised the cookie baking, her laughter echoing through the workshop. But the workshop itself wasn't static. As the magnetic North Pole wandered, so too did the workshop, gliding effortlessly across the icy terrain, towed by a team of reindeer with harnesses woven from shimmering starlight. One particularly stormy night, a young elf, curious and adventurous, ventured outside. He stumbled upon a hidden entrance, a shimmering portal that seemed to lead into the depths of the earth. Intrigued, he peered inside, his eyes widening in wonder. The entrance led to a vast cavern, illuminated by bioluminescent fungi that glowed with an ethereal light. Rivers of molten rock flowed beneath the cavern floor, their heat tempered by a natural cooling system. This, he realized, was the true heart of Santa Workshop, a subterranean sanctuary where toys were forged in the very heart of the earth. The elf returned to the workshop, his heart pounding with excitement. He shared his discovery with Santa, who, with a twinkle in his eye, declared it a top-secret location, a fail-safe in case the ever-shifting magnetic North Pole ever proved too challenging to navigate. And so, the legend of Santa Workshop continued, a testament to the enduring power of imagination, the magic of Christmas, and the boundless ingenuity of the elves, forever seeking new frontiers, whether above the icy wastes or deep within the heart of the earth.